Stanislav, you're talking about O1 visa all the time, but you never really mention advisory opinion letter. What that is and how to deal with that and where to get one is the topic of today's video. At the end of this video, you will be able to know how to get a free evaluation of your O1 visa case. Let's go! Hello, my dear friends. I'm Stanislav Shamayev, a licensed business immigration and corporate attorney in Miami, Florida. Today we're discussing O1 visa and the little thing that I really don't mention because it's never a problem when you work with my team, because we take care of that thing for you and let you know how to get the advisory opinion letter. But let's discuss what that is and how to deal with that. So advisory opinion letter in O1 cases is also known, aka no objection letter or peer review letter. There are some other names, but the fundamental understanding of that letter is that, so there is some labor organization in the USA that controls the industry or regulates the industry of your profession. And the list of those organizations, they are on USCIS website. And you can get free access to that. It's not a secret. You need to pick and choose one of those organizations that are provided by the USCIS, or if the USCIS does not provide such organization, you could find it yourself. And usually those guys, they're very quick to respond. So if you shoot them an email and ask them to do the advisory opinion letter, they're gonna respond really quick. Of course, they're gonna charge you. You're gonna pay money to them to do that. And that could be anywhere from $100 to $500. And basically what they do is requesting your petition, your achievements, and write a letter to USCIS saying one of the two things, or both of them. Thing number one, that they deem you a talented person. So basically they analyze your criteria and say, hey, this guy is looks talented or appears talented, everything is good. And that one is not as often. The second one is more often when they basically say, hey, we have no objection to this guy coming to the US and working here because we don't see that that's gonna affect the US labor market. So the whole concept behind advisory opinion letter is to make sure that the person that's coming to the US on O1 visa is not gonna damage the US workers. Okay, so that's the whole thing. And you know, I'll be honest with you, I've never seen a single organization who said that you know, we're not gonna write this letter. So it seems that it just became a commercial endeavor. Whatever, whoever sends the letter, we're gonna write this, just pay us money, and that's it. Okay, that's how I see it. I don't know. Don't quote me on that, but that's what's going on. It's a good thing if you're coming from a production side, or you're an actor or a singer, or you are an engineer or a professor. You know, there are a lot of organizations that can cover your advisory opinion letters. But there are some professions that have no labor organizations in the US. For example, business. Okay, and O1 for businesses is a great opportunity, a great option. So there is none like Chamber of Commerce that would regulate there are business organizations, but they're not into business of doing the advisory opinion letters. Or for example, the modeling, okay, the beauty industry, the barbers, the permanent makeup, the nails, whatever that is. There are no organizations there. Even IT people don't really have such organizations. And there are a lot of others. So I would say 50-50, 50 where there are organizations who draft those letters, and 50 that do not have those. What needs to be done in case that you fall within the category where there is no one to draft such a letter? So you have two options. Option number one, you just keep it and say, hey, there are no organizations of this kind, so we cannot get this letter, so just approve our petition and that's it. I used to use that option a lot. For many cases it was okay, until recent when USCIS said, hey, you need to do something about this. The second option is to get an expert of a national recognition in the US who would say the same thing. Okay, so who's an expert? Lord knows. We use the experts from our own company or from a NEO Plus program or from NEO, so somebody else who is working on a petition can draft such a letter, or we're looking for other opportunities for our clients. Mostly from our past clients who are already in the US and they got approval for talent visa or national interest waiver, sometimes business visa, so they could be held to the level of an expert, okay? So we connect you guys together and you get that letter. So it's not a biggie, and that's why I always skip it, because you have to spend a lot of time explaining something that's not really important. But of course, when we discuss things in details, of course you know that you need to do that separate thing and get it done by the time of filing of the petition. Now, if you want to know if you fall within the O1 visa, if you can file that visa within next 6 months, you need to get a free evaluation. What is a free evaluation? It's a form that you need to fill out, and within 2 days I'll get back to you and give you initial analysis of your case, which visa is good for you, which criteria we satisfy, which we don't. And if I see the potential, I will invite you to the complex immigration planning, where I will build a winning strategy for your case. The links for free evaluation are below this video, so do it right now, do not postpone it. Now, smash that like button if you like the video. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel. We have 2 videos every week, fresh, up to date, the best content among other immigration attorneys. And also follow me on Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, TikTok and other platforms. All the links are below this video. My name is Stanislav Shamayev. I'm a lawyer of the future. Your future begins here. Good luck.